and today I will explain again about my code. So everything in here it remain unchanged except like in the producer I'm adding a little bit, like instead of just reading about the line in this, I'm just reading like about from the starting to the ending point. Like in the line I'm reading like about each line instead of just go straight to it. I'm reading that one and then like storing the live function in here, and then after that I'm exactly with just like reading whether like how many lines I have. So in here you can see like we have like total like 60 data collected, which in the traffic data, so you can see also got like 60 line here. So and because that I'm create about three reducer, so that's the reason why when we are splitting it, we exactly with just splitting each producer will handle 20 data per producer. And like in here I'm just like about initialize like three reducer, 1 2 and 3, which each of them will be handled about the thing we have been doing here, the split side. The first thing is split side 20, 20 is multiple by 2 is 40, and the last one was like the remaining. And the consumer rate I'm creating about five consumer rates in here instead of just like one consumer in here, instead of like just using one consumer similar to before. And then because like we already have about a lot of producer, so that's and a lot of consumers, so that's the reason why I'm also adding in the loop in here in order to like starting each producer and the consumer. And also similar to like the choice function in here, wait for all producer best to be finished, and also wait for all tasks prefer to be finished at the end. And then everything in here it remain unchanged, was wait for consumer. After it like collecting all data and then using about min heap in order to keep the top end traffic light, and then showing the display the output. So let me just run the code again, so you can see in here total data collected 60, and then I'm splitting about each producer will be handle 20s. And you can see everything it remain unchanged except like it would be like much more faster, like when I'm using about just only one consumer and one producer, no, one producer and then one consumer. So it would be like much more faster. So yeah, that's about it.